Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have an unboxing for you today. And a lot of times I don't do unboxings, I do more reveals because I'm like, well, you don't really need to see me open the same kind of thing over and over. And I was going to do a reveal on this one because I have opened a bag from this particular company once before. But since I've only done it once, I thought I'm going to do the full thing with you. So what I did do is I did pull the little tab here and to reveal this. Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Let's see. So it's actually from the company. Okay, let me make sure. Trying to not have anything show here. Tanneur. And I do have already a bag from them, which I think is pretty awesome. It's actually right here. And I love this bag. I think it's phenomenal. This company, for the price, I would put them up with like a luxury brand, but more like a Coach price. And the reason I wanted to do this, I wasn't going to do this today. I have a Chanel unboxing that I want to do for you guys, but they're having a sale right now.
Who's having a sale?
Tanneur.
Thank you.
And it's L-E, let's see, my information is on here, but here. That's the company there. And they originally, I believe, like so many of these leather companies do, I believe they started out doing horses, things for horses and saddles and things like that. And then they you know, just started delving into other items. So this comes, I mean, it came relatively quickly. Mine was not on sale. It might be on sale now, but it wasn't when I got it. But someone else I seen on Instagram had this, and so I decided that I had to get it. So it comes like this, and again, it's all wrapped up really nice. It's boxed in here just really safely, and then
So they practice safe shipping.
Yeah. Oh, you can't see it. There we go. And then it comes so like this. I suppose I could open it up, but I can just pull this off here. So here's that, and then here's the dust bag. It has the name on it again.
Le Tanneur.
Yeah. And does this say? I believe it's Italian. And so it comes in a dust bag, and when this came out, I was going to get it, and then I just decided not to. I've been, as we see, buying bags, and then I kind of actually forgot about it, which was really nice, because I don't usually forget about stuff. But oh, let me see. Bunch of the names. I believe I know what it is, but yeah, I actually didn't think about it all the time again, and so I decided, I mean, I didn't go and get it right away. Let's see, okay, that's that. Sorry, not prepared here. It's nice too, like they address this, did you see, to you, and but this is all not in English, so.
Is it French or Italian?
Merci. Gracias. Name.
I'm going to give you a topic. You guys can...
No.
Oh,
okay, so what? Okay. So I'm not sure the name of the bag. That doesn't matter because you got to go there and look yourselves anyways. But this is the bag that I got. When you see the color, you're going to be like, how did you ever forget about it? With me, being me, but...
Oh, Lord.
This is the color. And this is exactly the same as my other yellow bag here. So this is in their special leather. If you get up really close, it is a ton of little T's for the Tanneur.
Not Tiffany?
No, it should be Tiffany, right? So here's the front. side, the back. Why do you always do the Charlie's Angels thing?
I don't know. Sounds good.
Side. There are feet on the bottom, and they actually have little
They're kind of
plastic.
squatty little feet.
Yep, but plastic on them. I'll take those all off later. Then you open it up.
And see what's inside.
Yeah, and it has this little, little keychain on here. Let's see what's inside.
Magnifying glass.
No, a little thing where you can put your information, like a luggage tag. And then you open it up, and here, looks like this. There's a slip pocket here. It's blue fabric, really pretty blue, but it's got leather trim on the open pocket here. And then it's got this zipper compartment here. Inside is the beautiful strap. It is adjustable, clearly removable. And
what gave you that idea?
Silver hardware, which I absolutely love. And so a nice big pocket here. Then here's another slip pocket. And then finally, there's a zip pocket on the back here. This one actually does have a back pocket here too, where you could easily fit your phone. I thought that my other one didn't, so maybe these are a little different.
No, it does.
Nope, they're related. They're sisters or brothers or whatever they are. But I love this. I love this now. I can't believe it took me this long to get it. But I would... Oh, gosh. But I love this. Like, I really like they have different leathers, but I really like this one, the one with the little T's in it. And look at how they even have, like, T's here.
Like Mr. T?
So, yeah, maybe.
Pitiful.
And, but I just think this is a gorgeous bag. And like I said, I was going to wait to do the unboxing, but they are on sale right now. Some of the bags are up to 40% off. I love this. I have to give a shout out to Gene from Totes Gene, because he is the reason I found out about this company.
I don't know if he's on the list.
And maybe he should be.
Oh, he's on the list.
And and yeah, I just love it. And we're talking about quiet luxury. You only have the name here. But I would definitely put this along the lines of like a full-fledged luxury brand at, again, a contemporary price. I can't remember what the amount of this was, but it was like, well, say for sure under $700, probably under that. But on sale now, like I said, some are up to 40% off.
So you didn't get it when it was on sale?
No, I didn't. I think that you would
And why?
because I didn't know when the sale was.
Oh.
So
So you just had to pull the trigger, as you
did.
say?
Yes. Because the color, how did I not get this when it came out right away? The silver hardware,
I'm
just
baffled.
gets me. So I love this bag. Again, take a look, see what's on sale. There may have some like this on sale. I didn't even look myself because that's what I'm going to do after this.
I paid full price.
And stop it. And then I'm going to get something on sale so I don't pay full price.
Oh,
I know I did not pay full price for my yellow one.
Oh.
But it's worth full price. I mean, my gosh. Like I said, it's phenomenal.
It's quiet luxury.
It's a phenomenal bag. The rolled handles. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. So run your little self over to there. I'll link them down in my description box below.
So do people run like that to their laptops or their phones?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Maybe. I like to think so.
Okay.
And look at this. Even the little zippers have their little tags on them. This is just so nice. It's just nice. So, yeah, that's what I have for you today. If you have any questions about the brand, and I can answer them, I will.
What's the name of the bag?
I think it's the Emily.
And want to bet on that?
Maybe later. So, just, yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'd love when you leave comments. It helps me get to know everybody just a little bit better. I will try to answer any questions I can about the bag. If you have any questions.
How tall is the cameraman?
No one needs to know how tall the cameraman is. I was going to point out that it does have the sideways, or the crossways strap.
We'll call that kitty corner.
Yeah, some people don't like that. I don't mind it, but thought I'd point that out just in case. Yeah, really durable, awesome leather. Link in the description box down below. If you have any comments, like I said, leave them. I love it. Helps me get to know everybody a little bit better. If you haven't found me already on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I put out usually a reel once a week there showing you my bag of the week and then what fits inside of it, and use some different SLGs so you can see those. I put out videos here on YouTube on Wednesdays and Saturdays. A few extras, but primarily those days. And I think that's it. I do have a Chanel unboxing coming up. It'll probably be Saturday. I have a couple tag videos coming up too.
I'm busy.
And a couple other reveals. So yeah, I got lots of fun stuff. You're gonna want to come back. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers, so come on, you can do it. Help me out, help me out. If you hit the little bell notification, it'll notify you every time I put up a video. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.